While trying to enter the recovery mode on your Motorola or any Android phone, if you're stuck on this no command screen with this broken Android bot, you just can't get past it no matter what, don't panic. We're here to help you get through this step. We're using the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion for this video, but this will work on any Moto series phone like E, G, Razr, or Stylus running on Android 15. Now to get rid of this, what you have to do is just press and hold the power key and then just press once on the volume up key. You will instantly get into the recovery mode. Here you can either go to the options that you want to try to use or just select reboot system now and then restart your phone normally. And apart from that, if you just leave your phone untouched in that mode, in a couple of minutes, it might automatically restart into normal mode again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.